Diva K030PRO. It is a fully automatic smart toilet, and it made a way bigger difference than I thought it would. This video is sponsored by Casta Diva, but all of the opinions are my own. I know how this sounds, but my bathroom is now my favorite room in the house. Just watch this. As I walk up, the lid automatically opens, and when I walk away, it flushes and closes on its own. There's also a foot sensor, so if your hands are full, you don't have to touch anything. Now, I am upgrading from a regular toilet to my first smart toilet, so the difference to me is significant. But even if you already have a smart toilet, this one has some features that makes it stand out. For example, this Casta Diva has a full range sensor seat, so no matter how you sit, forward, centered, or even slightly back, it still detects you correctly. And the moment that you stand up, it automatically flushes. Now this is one of my favorite features. It automatically adjusts both the seat temperature and the water temperature based on the room. So on cooler mornings, the seat and water are toasty warm, but on hot summer days, they're cooler. Simply long press this button here to switch to automatic temperature sensing mode. But if you always like a warm or a cool seat, you can still manually adjust the temperature. This next feature really speaks to the germaphobe part of me. You get multiple wash modes: rear wash, front wash, and an auscultating mode. The water is instantly warm. Now, I always worried that the first contact with the water was gonna be chilly cold, but it really is instantly warm. And the nozzle cleans itself before and after every use. This is next level clean, but it's also fully customizable. This toilet has a built-in tank, so the flush is extremely powerful. Now, you know how with regular toilets, you sometimes have to flush a second time just to get everything down? I have never had to do that with this toilet. Not even once, and neither has my husband, and that is saying something. It also has a dual flush option, so you are saving water when you can. So if it's number one, you can use the Eco Flush, and if it's number two, you can use the full flush. And even with all that power, it still stays incredibly quiet, around 45 decibels. This is what it sounds like when you are in my master bedroom and it flushes. Now this feature is honestly genius. It creates a foam shield on the water surface to prevent splashing, trap odors, and keeps the bowl cleaner. You know what I'm talking about with the splashing, right? I hate that, but this foam sort of mutes the splash, and it also traps in smells, which is crazy cool. You can actually see the foam barrier forming. Now after washing, there is warm air drying. The airflow and temperature are adjustable, and it's surprisingly effective, which is another feature that still keeps everything completely hands-free. Now, if you've never used a smart bidet toilet before, I will warn you, the first time is a little bit of a shocker, but it is now the toilet that everybody in my family goes to. And on that same note, it also has this soft bowl light that turns on automatically. It is gentle, not harsh, just enough light that I don't have to turn on the main light to use the toilet. I just go by the gentle glow. Perfect for late night bathroom trips, which I seem to have a lot of these days. On a side note, my daughter had a nasty case of diarrhea a couple of weeks ago. And as we all know, that can make our bums really sore. And she found the water features so soothing and comfortable, especially not having to wipe, but having the warm water soothe her sore skin made a huge difference for her. I genuinely love this toilet. And once you experience a setup like this, it's really hard to go back to anything else.